Let's watch yet another person on TikTok tell you how to commit fraud doing the TransUnion sex trafficking credit sweep.
Now, there's no way I was going to gatekeep the TransUnion sweep. I think y'all know the saying by now. Come on, follow along. Let's clean our TransUnion report. So FCRA Law 15 USC 1681 C-3 states that if you have been a victim of human trafficking, whether it's through labor or through sex, then any accounts acquired during that time can be blocked within 4 business days from your consumer profile. Now, here's the thing. This law does not solely apply to TransUnion. However, TransUnion has been the only bureau that has been expediting this process. So for all you people who pay hundreds of dollars to have somebody repair your credit and the only bureau that was sweet was TransUnion, you, my friend, you are a victim of human trafficking and you had no clue. Okay, so for those who want to do this, again, with this information, do with this what you will. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is go and make an account on transunion.com. You want to make sure that you're signing up for the account where you can dispute on their portal. The second thing you're going to do is draft up you a letter. You're going to include that law, 15 USC 1681 C-3, and you're going to include all of the accounts that were acquired while you were human trafficked. Okay, and then next you're going to also upload a victim determination letter. Okay, y'all, it's really that easy. Now, if you want to see this process and me walk you through it, I am doing a live class on Wednesday. The link is in my bio. Make sure you join us so you can be able to learn how to sweep your TransUnion report. This will be a look and learn. Bring your credit report. I will be doing live audits. So again, if you're needing help, make sure you drop live in the comments.
Be careful who y'all listen to out here. Even though they're giving you free information, they're literally teaching you how to commit fraud, and people are actually starting to go to prison for this. I know a lot of people have come into my comments when I've made videos about this before. Who's going to investigate? Well, the CFPB's already on it. The FTC's next. Who knows who's going to be next after that? Just be careful when you listen to these people. You are committing fraud when you are saying that you are a victim of sex trafficking when you are not. I know y'all want these items off your credit report, but there's a legal way to do it. And make sure you hire a company that's going to do this the legal way. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great day.